Good morning, everyone. My name is Kumanan. Today, I'm going to present my Capstone project. Okay, so I will start with my introduction first. Okay, so my project name is RecipeHub. It's basically to make home cooking easier and more fun. It's basically the answer to our everyday question, which is what should I cook today? Okay, as for the background, we all know the struggle of figuring out what to cook with what's in our fridge. So Recipe Hub was born out of the idea to make home cooking easier and reduce food waste. So Recipe Hub helps you discover new recipes based on ingredients you already have. It's like having a personal chef right in your pocket. So to build this website, I use several technologies. For front end, I use React and Bootstrap. And database management, I use PostgreSQL and Firebase. And for backend, I use Node.js and Express. And for deployment and hosting, I use Git, GitHub, and Vercel. So this is the QR code. If you guys want to follow along with me, you can scan this QR code. It will redirect to my live URL. Okay, so now I'm going to demo my project. So, okay, this is the homepage of Recipe Hub. So it's basically consists of a navigation bar and some pictures and footer. So we can do the sign up here. So I will enter like okay, so now I have created an account. So I will log into the account. Okay, so this is the homepage of Recipe Hub. Basically, these recipes are posted by other users, where we can see the names who posted these recipes. So here we have the name of the other usernames, and so each recipe has its own text. So if we want to filter according to the text, we can just click the text, and it will filter according to the text. Then we can clear the filter to go back to the homepage, and so we can view other people's recipe, and also we can like their recipes. Okay, so if we want to look at more details of the recipe, we can go into the view recipe page. So here we can see the ingredients and also the directions. Okay, so here's a feature to bookmark the recipe. If we click it, we can go to the favorite recipes. It will appear into our favorite recipes. It is like a bookmarking function. We can easily save our favorite recipes. So now I'm going to show how to add a recipe. Okay, then we basically I added a recipe title, description, ingredients, and directions. And now I'm going to add some text. So, okay. So we can choose any text from here, or also we can add our own text like so this healthy text I added from the drop-down list, and lunch is a new one I created. So we also can upload the image. When I submit the recipe, it will redirect to the home page. And yeah. Okay, sorry, I uploaded the wrong image actually, but this is how we submit a recipe. So then if we want to edit the recipe, we can go to the My Recipe page. Okay, so here we can edit. For example, like here 1 to 2 tablespoon, I change it to 2. I try to choose the correct image again. Okay, now I click the Save Changes. So if we see, it changes the 1 to 2 tablespoon, and also changes the image of the recipe. So this is the basic code function of this app. And then other than this, other than we can view other people's recipes, we also can search from an API. This web connected to an external API called the MealDB. For example, if you want to cook something on salmon, we just search from the web API, then we see the recipes to get its ingredients and directions. So, okay. So other than this, we also have a feature to generate AI recipes. For example, like we can add any ingredients we already have. Yeah, basically these are the functions of my website. So if you continue to the slide, okay. Um, as for the challenges, the main challenge, some of the challenges I face is handling multi-line text area inputs, which means like previously I only created a website like handle inputs like in one line. So here I use ingredients and direction which are in multi-line text areas. So this is what I learned how to handle um, text areas more than one line. So I ask users to input the ingredients and directions in separate lines, each ingredient in one line. Then I split it into the arrays to for easier storage, display, and editing. So another challenge is when I deploy to Vercel. So initially, when I deploying to Vercel, it faced a lot of problems, but I do not know how to troubleshoot it. Then when I use ChatGPT, I learned there is a log steps in Vercel, so where we can see why the deployment failed. So before this, I just tried to deploy again, but it didn't work. Then so when I find out there's a log step, then I find out what's the issue. It's actually there is a spelling error in one of my file names, so that's why the deployment was failing. So this is what I learned. Basically, there's a log step where we can in Vercel where we can use it to troubleshoot the error. So finally, I learned to learn about responsive design. This means like I made my website to look good on both on the desktop and mobile version. For example, like uh, so in desktop it will show three columns in three columns, and for tabs it will show two columns, and for mobile it will show only one column. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.